Well, tonight we're learning more about the Chicopee man accused of killing a teenage boy he thought was an intruder.
And now the 42-year-old is facing a murder charge for his deadly decision. Western Mass News reporter Tim Callery is digging deeper into this case. He's live now from Chicopee with what he found. Tim.
Well, Dave and Sharice, a lot of questions have come up since this incident happened last Saturday, but now court documents are highlighting, giving a better insight as to what happened the day Jeffrey Lovell fired his gun.
Jeffrey Lovell and Dylan Francisco, two names of two different people, now forever tied together in tragedy. It was Saturday afternoon when the 15-year-old was shot and killed by Lovell after knocking on his door, thinking it was the home of a friend. According to court documents, Lovell was awoken by his wife saying two people were banging on their door, trying to break into their house. That's when Lovell gained access to his secured, loaded firearm from his bedroom safe. He then went into his kitchen where he observed through his kitchen window a white male carrying footwear walking from Lovell's backyard to his side kitchen door, located under a carport. Court documents show Lovell then yelled, quote, "Get the expletive out," quote, "Stay the expletive out." As Francisco continued to knock on the door, Lovell claims a pane glass broke, and that's when he raised his loaded Smith & Wesson firearm and shot one round through the glass of the door. Questions are now rising over whether or not Lovell was acting in self-defense. Massachusetts has a statutory law known as the Castle Doctrine, which requires a homeowner to retreat from danger inside the home or kill an intruder, but it comes with standards.
You can only use force that's comparable to the force that's being threatened against you. So if a person is threatening to punch you, you can't pull out a gun and shoot them.
And the law says the intruder must be inside the dwelling in order for the homeowner to act. In Lovell's situation, the teen he thought was an intruder was outside of the home, and Lovell told police Francisco never entered his residence.
Could be all sorts of mitigating factors that a jury could consider and a DA would have to consider in presenting it.
And now a big part of this puzzle, as you heard, is Lovell saying he fired his gun after a glass pane broke. But the ADA says right now they still don't know whether it was the knocking on the door that broke that glass or the bullet that was fired from Lovell's gun. We're live here outside Chicopee District Court. I'm Tim Callery for Western Mass News.